Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fantastic and fabulous day today. Thank you for joining me here. Thanks as well for supporting to my channel. To all my soul family and soul tribes, I am really grateful and thankful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. And the President of the United States of America, Joe Biden, and the King of England, King Charles III, are also Scorpio. So if it is not your story, guys, just leave it, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I grabbed the opportunity to read tarot cards after my work, and I'm just only one deck. This is what I have always in my bag. So let me see your card readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. First, we have the Tower. We also have the Two of Swords, the Hierophant, the Fool, the Knight of Cups, the Justice, the Emperor, the King of Swords, the Page of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Strength, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Chariot. I would like to pick one bonus card. And we have the Seven of Cups. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your short readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy for this reading. I would like to remind you to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? The first foundation of your reading is the Tower. This is an Aries or Scorpio energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpios. I feel like there is an unexpected ending here. And you don't know about this, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is a sudden ending, an upheaval, a loss, or a separation. For some of you, it could also be that you have a sudden realization of all the things why it was happened in the past. It could also be that you are dealing with this person, either Aries or fellow Scorpio. It could also be other sign. It could also be that this is related to your family, to your workplace, to your friend circle, to your partner or ex, or could be a neighbors or community. I feel like for some of you, this is a shocking ending, a separation. Others of you, maybe if you are married, for some of you, there is a separation here. Could also be a divorce will happen. I don't know what is your situation, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I am only defending the cards in this tarot. Yeah. It is just like when an engineer build a building, the building must plan with a solid foundation. It's because if there is a slight storm will come, the building will collapse, because if this is not built in a strong foundation, the plan is not strong and solid. It's just like also a relationship. When a certain relationship is built with deceit, lies, conflict, drama, and manipulation, you cannot assure that this relationship will last longer. This is the end of lies, manipulation, deceit, third party, or love triangle. It could also be that there are people in the past, or there are people surrounds you who are engaging you in this third party situation, this lies, this manipulation, this drama and conflict. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Aries or fellow Scorpios viewed you as their tower, their nightmares. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Two of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is in the crossroads. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are going to make a painful choice and a major decision in your life. And you need to face this confusion. It could also be that there are two forces in your mind or in your life that hinders you to take an action. Could also be that your attention is divided into two. Could also be that you are dealing with this person, and this person is in the crossroads. This person is going to make an important and painful decision in their lives. Maybe this person put you in a third party or love triangle, because somebody here, the attention was divided into two. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. I don't know what is your situation. Take only what fits in your story. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart, and you have to rest and calm your mind. The truth is, you are not blindfolded. There are things in our lives which our mind couldn't explain. That's why we need to use our intuition, the wisdom of our hearts and body. Take only what fits in your story. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. And this is your energy based of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to your faith and commitment, religion, beliefs, marriage, and traditional values, and family as well. I feel like for some of you, you are focusing on your spirituality. Others of you, it could also be that you are following your intuition. Or it could also be that this person is questioning about your beliefs and tradition, about your traditional values. It could also be that about your family relationship. Could be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Others of you guys, this is related to your commitment and faith. It could also be that this person wants to commit and to propose marriage on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But there could be a big problems. It's because of maybe you are more on spirituality and this person more on traditional values. Could also be that both of you having different beliefs and tradition or religion. And that's why there is a hindrance here of these commitments. And I feel like for some of you guys, this person viewed you as a marriage material. That's why this person wants to commit you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here the Fool. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. The Fool is embodied the energy of Uranus. And Uranus is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius. Others of you, it could also be that this is your ex or a new person in your life who is coming to approach you because this is the Fool. This person wants to take a leap of faith with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that this person is your ex or a new person. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person viewed you as a fool or this person wants to fool you. Others of you, you are advised to take a leap of faith because you have an infinite potential and possibilities. This is a new beginning of your journey, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And for some of you guys, you already take a leap of faith. Others of you, you are advised here to embrace your fears, to trust your path and your journey. It's because this is a new beginning of an infinite potentials and possibilities. Others of you, you realize that you have an infinite potentials and possibilities. That's why you're already taking a leap of faith. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. And this person wants to have a new or a fresh start with you. Maybe a relationship with you. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be another sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. And your destined future energy is the Knight of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Scorpio, a fellow Scorpio. Or you are attracting with the same sign, fellow Scorpios. I feel like this is a young person because this is the Knight. And this person having a strong attraction and admiration towards on you. This person got crush on you. And this person wants to offer you a cup of love, a romantic gesture. This person wants to socialize you, to have a date with you. This person wants to know you better because I feel like this person is inspired you as well. I don't know what is the nature of your job. This person will offer you this romantic gesture, love and romance, slowly but surely. You look at the horse. This is not moving fast. This is moving slowly. This person is going to approach you maybe on the Scorpio season or this spring season, because this is cups. Could be a fellow Scorpio, could also be other sign. But I feel like there is a new beginning here of romantic gesture. Maybe this person is younger than you, or it could also be that this person is an adult but having a young at heart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Justice. This is your past experiences and influences. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look, the Two of Swords is embodied the energy of a Libra. For some of you, could be you are dealing with a Libra. Could also be other sign. I feel like this is the cause and effect. This is like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. It depends on what you have done in the past. The universe will give you here the justice, the truth, the honesty, and the fair judgment. Others of you, it could also be related to a law in the court, the suits. Just a minute. It is related to, maybe for some of you, you have a problems, for instance, related to your inheritance or divorce papers. Could also be other problems. This is related to lawsuits. Yeah. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor, because this is about the truth, the honesty, and the fair judgment. If there are people in the past who are misjudge you or who did unjust in your life, rest assured that the justice is in your favor. I don't know what you have done in the past, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know your situations, because this is the truth and the honesty, the clear judgment. It could also be that you are dealing with a lawyer or a person who is working in the court. Could also be a judge, or you are the one who is working in the court. I don't know what you have. Others of you, it could also be that there are lots of people, especially in the past, who treated you unjust, are now facing their bad karma. It could also be that this group of people wants to reconcile with you, to ask forgiveness and reconciliation. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. But I don't know if you can give another chance with this person or group of people. Could also be in your family, in your friend circle, in your workplace. Could also be in your neighbors. Could also be in the community or your ex. Take only what fits in your story. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, and this person viewed you that you have served your justice. It could also be that this person knew and are aware what they have done to you, and you deserve it when you receive your justice. Could also be a Libra or a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? If you are working hard in the past and lots of people who are treated you unjust, the universe will going to pay off your hard work here. Whatever the lies, the unjust happens in the past, it will expose because the justice is here. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here your environment, either at home or in your workplace, the Emperor. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. It could also be that this person wants to control you. If this is somebody in your life, this person having an authority and power. It could also be that this person wants to control you because this is your energy in your environment, either at home or in the workplace. Could also be that this person is your boss. Could also be your partner, your father, because this is also a father figure. Could also be a person who has a power and authority. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know all of your situation because this is a general and timeless reading. Others of you, this is your energy. You are building a solid and strong foundation in your dreams. This is a longevity. And you are very strong. You are sitting in your throne. You take back your power. You are bossing up. You are the control of your own life. No one can manipulate you. Others of you, you are manifesting this to be a boss. Yeah. To have a legacy of your own. Because you are tired of mingle. You are tired to mingle the people who are not true to you, who are playing mind games, who are jealous, who are backstabbers, who are manipulators. And that's why you realize to have your own legacy, to be your own boss, to build a strong and solid foundation in your dreams, to make it or to bring it in reality. Others of you, it could also be that this is your father and your father wants to control you. Could also be your boss or your partner. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your immediate future. Around 3 weeks is the King of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, a Libra. Or you have a Libra in your birth chart. 3 times confirmation. You look, the Justice, the Two of Swords, and the King of Swords. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra for some of you. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this is your energy, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. You are standing in your higher self. You knew the truth, and you are not scared to tell the truth. Your mind is as clear as a crystal. You have a mental clarity, and no one can manipulate you. You look. You are the Emperor and the King of Swords. Others of you, it could also be that you cut off the ties of those people who are trying to control your life, tried to manipulate you. Those people who are putting you in a third-party situation, the backstabbers, the manipulators, the gossipers, those people who are laughing in front of you. Those people who are treating you like a fool, like a stupid person. You knew the truth. I know Scorpio is not not boastful. Scorpio is humble. Most of Scorpios are humble. Yeah. Of course, not all. The low vibes are, yeah, are loud. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you cut off the ties of those people in the past who are lying on you or spreading lies about you. Could be a group of people in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex-friends, your ex-partners, in your neighbors, or in the community. Because you knew the truth, you knew as well the intentions of these people in the past. Others of you, it could also be that this person who has an authority, a structure, and a strong person could be a police officer, a military officer, could also be a head of the state, and this emperor conniving to control you, because this is the next card after the emperor. Could also be that these two forces are collaborating to control you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a lawyer or a person who has an authority and structure. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, this is your energy. You are bossing up. You are the control of your own life. You are building a solid and strong foundation in your life, and you are standing in your higher self. You are not scared to tell the truth, to cut off the people who are not true to you behind your back. You have a mental clarity. You are strong. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your hopes and fears is the Page of Cups. For some of you guys, or most of you, this is your energy. You learn to pour your empty cup. You love yourself unconditionally. It's because of what you have experienced in the past. You have gone through, and that's why you become this energy, the King of Swords. And now you learn to love yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. It could also be that you are going to receive a psychic downloads, a spiritual messages here. Could also be that somebody here wants to socialize you, wants to celebrate with you, to offer you a cup of love. This is a young person, could be in your family, could also be your child. Others of you, it could also be that this is your crush or admirer if you are a teenager, Scorpio. It could also be that this person wants to celebrate, to inspire, and to offer you this cup of love. Maybe this is your child for some of you. If you are still single and you are a teenager, maybe this is your crush or an admirer. This person, for some of you, could be a queer or a gay. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears. And we have here the Three of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. This is the final outcome in this reading. You already planned it. And now, you want to bring this into a reality. You want to take an action because you don't want to stay stagnant. Others of you, you are stepping forward. And you are ready to go, to travel in the other place, or to go abroad, or you are going to relocate. this is your energy. You realize that you cannot stay in a stagnant lives, and that's why you are stepping forward ahead, because maybe for some of you it is the time that you realize that it is your time to go, to take an action. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with an heiress, and this person wants to travel towards on you. Could also be that in the past this person never choose you. Maybe this person realized now that you are the one for them, and now this person is preparing to move, to take an action. Could be an heiress, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, this is the final outcome of this reading. And the outside influence is the strength. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You overcome your self-doubts and the conflicts in your lives. And now you have an inner strength and inner will. You can tame the beast of this person or the group of people in the past. Maybe Leo is involved in this group of people who are trying to manipulate you, backstab you, dragging your name into the mud, who are lying and spreading lies and rumors about you. Could be a group of people as well, includes Leo. Maybe this person or group of people is in your family circle, could also be your friend circle, or in the community, in your workplace, or could be your ex. And now you can tame the beast of this person or group of people, that is the ego and the pride. And you also, you manage to tame your own beast, the ego and the pride. You take back your power, you have strength, you are the control of your own life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person viewed you as a strong person, that you can tame their beast. Could be a Leo or a group of people. Take only what fits in your story. This is the outside influences in this reading. And to clarify the outcome of this reading is the Chariot. I remember in your last reading, the Chariot was also come out. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. There is a fast movements here. It could also be that for some of you, you are going to relocate or to travel. Could also be that you are going to buy a new car, or you have planned to buy a new car. Others of you, this is a fast movements towards your success and victory. You have overcome all the conflicts in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have an inner strength, an inner power. And now you are stepping forward towards your victory. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are going to travel, or somebody wants to travel towards on you. Could also be that you are going to relocate, or somebody wants to relocate nearer to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be a Cancer. Could also be other sign. Others of you guys, this is the time that you take an action after all the devastated situationship in the past. This is the time that you have strength. You gathered your strength, and now you are not scared. You are ready to move on, to travel to face the challenges in order to surmount the victory of your life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is your bonus card, the Seven of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign as Scorpio. It could also be that this person put you in an option in the past. Could also be that this person have too many choices, too many options, and you are one of these options. Or it could be you, that this is your energy. You have too many options in love and in career. And you are puzzled which one to choose. What is the best option for me? Others of you are daydreaming and fantasizing. Or it could also be that this person in the past tried to keep you inside the box because this person doesn't want you to be seen. Could also be a group of people in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle, your ex, your neighbors, or in the community. Because this is the Seven of Cups. This is not only one person. And Scorpio, the other Scorpio, the low vibes Scorpio is involved in this scenario. Could be in your workplace as well. This group of people doesn't want you to be seen. And in the past, they tried to keep you in the box, in the dark. They push you in the dark. They don't realize that the darkness is your spatial, is your field of specialization. And now you manage to come out. You are heading towards your victory. This group of people tried to push you in the dark, to keep you in the dark. They want to hide you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And now, there is a fast movement, sir, of victory. You overcome the conflicts of the past people who did this to you. Yeah, look. These are the group of people in the past. In your workplace, in your family, your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And now this group of people are daydreaming and fantasizing on you because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You cut off the ties. You block in your social media and in your mobiles. All what we can do now is to daydream, fantasize of you, the time that you are with this group of people. Because you knew the truth. And you knew as well what are the intentions of this group of people in the past towards you. This group of people, if you never did something with them, this is logically, they are envy and jealous of your life, your energy, your aura, and your self-confidence. This group of people who have a low vibrational spirits energy are intimidated with your aura. It's because they couldn't handle, they couldn't stand. Scorpio is rolled with Pluto and Mars. Pluto is the planet of creation and destruction, and Mars is the planet of power, drive, and action. And for those low vibes people, those people who have lack of confidence, those people who are lack of conscience, lack of empathy, I mean the negative energy people, they are triggered with your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why no matter how kind you are to these people, no matter how compassionate and how generous you are to these people, they will never ever appreciate you because they are intimidated with your aura, your energy, your self-confidence, and how to bring yourself, how to show yourself to the world. They couldn't stand your energy. Your spirit irritates their demons, and that's the cause of jealousy and envy. And that's why they want you to be hidden, not to be seen. Most of you, it could also be related in your workplace. There are lots of people in your workplace maybe that in the past, because this is the past scenario, they are intimidated with your aura and they doesn't want you to be seen. For some of you guys, maybe the boss said, oh, you have to do this work, this one that you are not, I mean, the work which is, that you are kept inside the dark. This work just like a work of an idiot, even though you have a capacity, a capabilities, a skills, a talent to do the job of others, which your colleagues also are doing. But your boss is also could be an intimidated with your aura. I never say all. I say most of you. Yeah. Of course, this is not resonates to all of you. And that's why the reason why they are keeping you inside the dark. They don't know that the darkness is your field of specialization. You are the transformation and rebirth. And you come out as a strong person and having victory. You are strong and you are bossing up as well. Yeah. And that's why this group of people are daydreaming and fantasizing about you, your energy when you are with them. And you look, some of them, they are confused how you can do it. It's just like the song, and I'll know, I think an Air Supply. And I'll never know how you do with making love out of nothing at all. And this person or this group of people, if this is related to love and relationship, this person couldn't believe that you survived. You bounce back into a strong person and you have also a victory and success here. Could also be in your family, your neighbors, your friend circle, or in the community. In the past, they treated you as an option. They want to keep you in the dark. And they couldn't believe, they couldn't imagine that you bounce back as a strong person. You're boosting up, you have structure, you are building your stable and solid foundation. You take back your power and you are heading towards your victory and success. You threw their lies out of the window in this tower. Plus, you take back your justice. Justice is in your favor. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share to enlarge our community. I really do appreciate. And thank you very much for joining me here again, for commenting to my video, for your likes and subscribes. I am wishing you all have a nice day. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.